Hi there, and welcome to Microsoft 365 Copilot, a power user masterclass. I'm Jess, a product manager for PowerPoint. Soon, I'll be joined by Anna, a product manager for Word. Today, we're going to show you Copilot tips and tricks we love to help make your day better using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Forms. We'll go through how you can better summarize, understand, create, organize, and edit, all made easier with Copilot. Let's get started. Over to you, Anna.
Thanks, Jess. If you're like me, you're inundated every day with different documents, presentations, spreadsheets, meetings, and more. It can be a lifesaver to have a quick and easy summary of the content with the help of Copilot. Here's how Copilot can summarize the content in your favorite apps like Word, PowerPoint, and OneNote. You can simply open Copilot and ask for a summary. In Word, you can view an automatic summary at the top of a document. Getting a TLDR helps you be better prepared and quickly understand the main points.
While a summary is helpful, sometimes you really need to dive a little deeper into the details. Copilot can assist here too. From answering questions about a document to helping you visualize data, Copilot can help you gain a better understanding. In this long Word document, there is a ton of content. Let's say you're really interested in learning how to best join a new team. You can open Copilot Chat and ask Copilot if there's anything else you should consider. Now that you have a great breakdown, you can continue asking questions, or you can go back to the document and add new information. Dive deeper into your data with Copilot in Excel, which helps you create graphs and charts specifically for your needs. In this sales data, you can ask Copilot to group units sold by state. Copilot analyzes the data and suggests a pivot chart. You can even insert it into a new page, helping you get a closer look at your numbers. Say a colleague shared this long presentation. You know it has some valuable information, so you ask Copilot, give me a breakdown of the key points. You can continue asking questions to better understand the content. And if you want to see some of the most important slides, just ask Copilot to show key slides. And there, I get my own special view. After a long meeting, there's lots of notes and action items in your OneNote, and you might not be sure what to tackle first. Open the Copilot chat pane and type, "What should I focus on next?" And Copilot will put together a plan. Copy and paste the output into your page to continue your work.
Creating from scratch can be daunting, but luckily, Copilot can help you put together a great first draft. In Word, you can click on one of the example prompts or write your own. Let's say you want to create a response to a request for proposal. You can reference relevant emails, meetings, and files so Copilot has the right context. And there, your draft is ready. In Excel, you can click the Copilot icon and it walks you through how to set up a table specific to your needs. Simply tell Copilot what you want to create. Let's try a table to track budget and expenses. Copilot suggests a template complete with columns and example data. It even includes formulas to calculate things like the difference between planned and actual amounts. You can continue adjusting the table with Copilot. For instance, you can ask for an additional row. Once you're happy, click Keep It and the table is inserted onto your sheet where you can continue working. When you're presenting, you want both a visually compelling presentation and a great way to tell your story. Now, when you create a new presentation, Narrative Builder helps you steer the story up front, getting you to a better first draft, all in your branded template. When you want to gather input from your colleagues, Copilot in Microsoft Forms is here to assist. You can ask Copilot to create the form for you, like this survey after a team building day. Copilot even suggests improvements, like adding an eye-catching design. And now you have a survey ready to send in minutes.
Let Copilot help you organize your notes in just a few clicks. OneNote is the space where you can store all of your thoughts. It's your second brain. Of course, notes can get a bit messy at times as you move through your days quickly, just making sure you aren't forgetting anything. Copilot in OneNote can help you organize all your thoughts within a section. Open up Copilot Chat, type, "Organize this section," and watch it bring together all of your notes into a single, organized view ready for you to use across your work.
Editing your content can be a tedious and time-consuming task. And when there's a lot of feedback to incorporate, fine-tuning and making sure each part of your document, notes, or presentation is right can be overwhelming too. Copilot can help. Whether you're working by yourself or collaborating with your coworkers, Copilot in OneNote can take your work to the next level. Type or write what you need in the Copilot chat pane and hit enter. Copilot offers up suggestions based on your prompt. From there, you can copy and paste the updates into your notebook. Making your presentation look and feel right is key. To elevate your presentation, you can ask Copilot to create the perfect visual. Copilot will give you different image options. Just select your favorite and add it directly to the slide. Then open Designer and choose the layout that you like best. In a Word document, you may need to edit a section to make it shine. With Copilot, you can auto-rewrite text, get coaching feedback to improve your document, and more. You can even write your own prompt and create a table. There! Copilot did a great job of using that information and helping you get to your final version. Now you can use everyday language with Copilot in Excel to do powerful advanced analysis using Python. After the analysis is complete, you can share your workbook with others. When they update the source data, you can also refresh the analysis, so you always have the latest.
That's it! We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of how Copilot can make your work easier and more fun. If you want to learn more, you can get more info here. On behalf of Anna and I, thank you for hanging out with us. We can't wait to see what you do with Copilot. Have a fantastic day.